Hello there. If you clicked on that video, it means that you're interested in getting a new overlay for your stream, and specifically the chatters leaderboard or the message rate. I'm here just to show you how it works. So it's fairly easy. Basically, one element you need to do is create an account with Alicia, because everything is based on the API behind Alicia to make sure that everything works smoothly. Here you go. You just go to the overlay.getalicia.com. You have a link below in the description. And you can start basically with one of the configurator. You have multiple type of overlays. So here it's the chatter leaderboard, but you also have the message rates. We will be looking at the leaderboard first, and then I'll show you for the message rate. So when you arrive on that page, you will see that you are being asked multiple elements here. I will show you where to get this information. As I said before, you will need to have an Alicia account because you will need an API key to connect to Alicia's API. To do that, you just open the Alicia app, you go to My Accounts, and here, scrolling down, you will basically have the API key just there. You can copy it, and then you just paste it here. Here you will just enter your channel, so for me, it's this one. You shouldn't need to change anything around the base API there. And here you can exclude specific names. Let's say you have different chatbots that send messages with different timers. You obviously don't want them to be included in the chatter leaderboard. So here you can just write, Nightbot, stream elements, thing like that. You can also just exclude Alicia's messages there or remove your mods as well, so they don't count in it. You remove yourself. So you can just define who is actually going to appear in that instance. When you have that, you can define the different style of overlays. I will be going with the basic one, and then you can decide in which order you want those to appear. Either way, vertical or horizontal. I will select the vertical one, and then you have an option to use the compact mode, which is nicer to have, in a small part of the screen if you just want this as a hint for anyone to actually post a message there. You can then add different elements. Those are for the non-compact mode, so to add or remove the per chatter message rate. And you can add also the full message rates directly into this overlay. So you just have one link and everything is together. You can then define the opacity of your overlay. I will go with 100 for me, and the pulse, which is mainly for the display rates, and the update frequency. For me, stay that way. You can change the colors of each card if you want something a bit more in brand with your channel. And here you can then copy the link, open your OBS. You just click on browsers, add chatter leaderboard up, and then I think that should do it. Size-wise, just have this. And here it is. Okay. As soon as someone sends you a message there, you should basically see their name appear and enter the leaderboard. Now, let's have a look to the message rate. So basically here it is literally the same thing. The platform should basically store your API key, channel name, so you don't have to re-enter everything. Same for those settings. So everything should be basically already set. You copy, and here you can just add it in the exact same way that you did before by adding a new browser source. Here you say message rates, and you add your message rates here. And similarly to the other one, basically see message rate here. If you want to have something a bit more easy to manipulate, you can also apply filters and crop your the overall window of this. So just by removing from the left 200, 400, no, 200, yep. 200 and 200, and here you go. Basically have only the message rates is going to appear there, so you can always have that visually on your screen. And here you go. You're fully set up to use the Alicia's overlay. If you have any question, join the Discord below or just contact us directly through the support. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Cheers.